Alright guys, so I literally just got back from a ride. Before I left, checked the gas, make sure there was enough in there, and as I'm the furthest away from home, the bike stops, and I'm like, what just happened? So this is a day after I just made the first video of this vlog series. This is going to be episode 2. What happened was this choke, there's not much holding it on, like there's hardly any resistance there, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But what happened was I did not know that the choke closed and it was starving for fuel, and I'm like, what is going on? I checked the chain. I thought maybe something happened internally, but it didn't sound like anything clunked. And I opened up the tank right away and I was like, there's plenty of fuel in it. I was beside myself for about a minute thinking, well, now I gotta make the phone call to get picked up 4 miles away from home, 9:30 at night. But I remembered watching another guy's video, and I forget who it is. I will search that and put it in the description so you guys can check that video out, because that guy does a lot of stuff with the two-stroke engine. But he said this could be one problem that occurs, and I just remembered him saying that, and that's what I checked next. And sure enough, that choke just went completely shut. Thank goodness that's all it was. I was able to open it back up. I was at a spot where I was going uphill when it did that, and I thought for sure maybe the chain broke or something bad, really bad happened. But I was able to hold that open, get it started again, make it up the hill. Then it did it again when I got to the top of the hill. Luckily it was at the top of the hill. So basically the ride home, my hand was down like this, my left hand. So anyway, this is going to be episode 2. Tomorrow morning I'll come back and work on this and show you guys what I'm going to do to fix that. Alright, so we're back next morning. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an 8mm socket, take this off, put some medium grade thread locker on there and snug it back down. One thing I should mention, if you're going to do this and not take it off the bike, plug up the hole with a rag, that way nothing gets down inside the carburetor. I'm almost done. So I used the 8mm to unthread the nut, put a little thread lock on there, snugs it back up, and as you can see, it takes a lot of pressure now to open and close it, so it should be good for a while.